What's going on, YouTube? Voodoo. Sorry I haven't really put out any content as of late due to whole COVID-19. Stay inside. Wash your hands. On the upside, I did get stuff in from the sponsor, Raze Energy. So we're gonna go ahead and cut some boxes open. Real looking forward to getting back into all the car stuff. Not much of a shaky camera. My bad. So we're gonna see what's in this box. Putting the knife down. Bubble wrap. Satisfying. We got Hypersleep, Broken Arrow, which I hear is really effective for you people that like working out. We also have Galaxy Burst. I will keep everybody do videos of. Hang on a minute. Speaking of my channel, that one I recommend. We also have sour gummy worms, which I'm hearing that one's really good. You can find these at your local gym, GNC, reasonably priced. And you have the new one, or one of the new ones, Baja Lime. Question is, which one do I... It's got no crash, zero sugar, electrolytes, and BCAA aminos. I actually like the cans. I'm gonna try Voodoo. Bottoms up. Orange creamsicle. Definitely. I'd recommend that one. Kids playing outside. They opened the damn state up too early. Which is kind of, well, can't show you that. These are really cool stuff. It's got a drawstring bag. Got that cool little logo on the flag, America. Got a koozie. On the back it's demand more. Something to put on the Fusion. Which that'll go on after the video. Got some more Hypersleep Broken Arrow. Which, guys, if you're into going to the gym, maybe half of that, or well, I do a scoop, half scoop. I don't do the whole gym thing. So it's got a cool little bracelet. Some more Broken Arrow Cryo Edition. Those of you that can't get to the can, it's a little sour gummy packet. More bubble wrap. These flavors, I don't even know. They're from, that's going on the car. Hello. 25 horsepower, right? 50. I think that's all from this box. Go look up reppsports.com. You can find all these flavors as well. If you don't want to get out or quarantine, order online. The final box. Open. Monkey. Hello. It's me. Never mind me. Long day at work. Putting the knife back down. So. Another decal. Also, t-shirt. Same. On the back, join the Raze Rebellion. Another cool koozie. Extra sour gummies. What? Bleh. Doing this all one take. So, got more Broken Arrow. Another cool little gym bag. Has the drawstrings. Another can of Voodoo. Keeping those. Also, Apollo. So I've heard that one's really good. I've heard they're all good flavors. First one I've tried is Voodoo, and I love it. Strawberry Colado. No alcohol. Sorry, guys. Phantom Freeze. I'll be trying that. Not now. I'm doing one can. And a guava mango. There's more flavors on the website. You just have to... Oh, another bracelet. That's going on. So... Voodoo. So if you like what you see or have questions, feel free to message me. I'll post my Instagram down below, as well as the Snapchat, because I'm going to be doing, looks like some review videos, throughout, each day. So, like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully car season will fire back up. If not, I'll do a mountain run or something. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments. Get views, guys.